Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku unboxing video and I want to also apologize about the lighting and all the shadowing. Unfortunately it is like 40 degrees today. It's really hot and so we've got all the windows and blinds drawn. Usually I use a lot of natural light, whereas today I am 100% just using artificial light, just basically the lighting for my room. So yeah, there's a lot of shadowing, but hopefully you won't mind too much. Anyways, on to the unboxing. We have February, which is all Valentine's Day related. Just like getting a sneak peek at what I'm gonna be unboxing. And I can already tell you I'm liking this Miku Gurashi. Okay, so we have some sticker flakes, just like, oh, they're like fruits covered in chocolate. So here's a close-up of some of the different types of stickers. I think it's like a paper or like almost a waxy paper. I don't know. It's kind of like a mix between a waxy paper and just paper, but yeah, lots of different designs, all chocolate themed, some flowers. I think this is pistachio and then some orange slices, so that's pretty cool. And then we've got some pens. We've got one here. This is more of a crayon, which I'll try these at the end of the video. This is a pencil case, but it looks so delicately wrapped, so it makes me think the fabric or the material must be quite fragile, maybe. Oh, it's a little dog, an Inu Shiba. It's a decent sized pencil case. It is on the smaller side, but I mean it fits all your pens. And I actually quite like the blue color. It's a really nice color. Okay, what are these? Oh, okay. They look like they're little like post-it notes and notebooks, but in pockets, which is really cute, but probably not super functional. Let's see. Let's take this pink one. How cute is that? Oh, it's so adorable. And then you take this out, and yeah, it is basically a little notepad. So I'm putting it back because I might give this to my niece potentially. I think she would find that really cute. And then here, ooh, glue stick. I love how I get excited over just the really functional stuff because I get to use it, but I always go through glue sticks like crazy. Fortunately, the last few boxes have always come with new glue sticks, so I haven't had to buy any new ones. But okay, I won't open it because I don't want it to start drying out. What I notice is that if you like take the plastic off a glue stick and then you don't use it, the glue, and I don't know whether I'm just not closing it right, but I just find this to be the case with a lot of like the Bosch sticks. The glue itself kind of shrinks because it dries out. So yeah, I won't open that just yet. And then we have what looks like origami paper. Oh, it is origami paper. I wonder what's this, what are we trying to make here? I looked at the slip, it didn't really say. But here it says in Bitsu, which is just pencil. And I guess this last one looks like it's the shape of a pencil. So maybe you create pencils with it. But I'm not going to be using this for origami. I'm going to be using this to decorate dashboards. And I'm going to cut out little shapes and stuff to stick in some of my planners because this is like so precious. I wonder if it's all the same. You know what? I'm going to open it and just see if it's the same pattern throughout. But I feel like it's not often you get like good quality pattern paper, so that's why I'm going to save it for that. Oh, there's another one here. Okay, so there's two designs. That is so cute. Oh, awesome. Okay, and it literally says 2 designs and there's 12 sheets, so there's 6 sheets of each design. So yeah, I think that's everything. Yep, all right, let's go try the pens. So I'm gonna try this one out first. It's a Pikachu gel pen. I don't see a specific brand, but it is 0.38 and it looks to be a ballpoint pen. I just take the little rubber tip off. Oh no, it's gel and it's pink. So it's a gel fine tip pink pen. And now I'm gonna try this one. This is definitely more just for coloring in, but why not try all the colors? So this is like, it just takes me back to my childhood. Purple, red, yellow, green, blue. Let's try them all for fun. So we've got the pink one here. Oh, it's not, you know what? It's not super pigmented. It is a little bit on the, I feel like, what if it's a pencil or, it looks like a crayon, but it's writing like a pencil. It's quite faded. It's really not as saturated as I would hope for it to be. It's still cute though. And I am actually going to a kid's birthday party tomorrow. I wonder if I could just bring this along and see if anyone wants to use it. But yeah, those are all the 5 colors. It's definitely more a novelty thing, but it's still cute. Yeah, so that is everything in February's Inku. I don't remember if I said last month was really good. I kind of feel like for me, Inku, you have like alternate months. You have a really good month, then a meh month. This is the meh month, and I think next month will be really good. So it goes up and down, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.